Shalom, Israel. I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahawah, BAHASHAM, YAHAWAHSHI, BAHASHAM, Rakah, Quadash. Double honors to the apostles and the elders who teach and rule well at Great Millstone, and peace and salutations and peace and mercy to the prophets, the hopeful elect, the 144,000, and to the men and women of the 12 lost tribes of Israel, the so-called Negroes, Latinos, and Native American Indians. Shalom. Back with another lesson. I'll title this one Violent Bird Attacks Increasing, and this is prophecy. You know, violent bird attacks increasing. Call Allah Yahawah BAHASHAM YAHAWAHSHI. Call Allah Yamla Alahayanawa Yahawah BAHASHAM YAHAWAHSHI. And you know, as the title reads, violent birds attacks are, you know, increasing, and this is prophecy. I'm gonna read this article, or I'm gonna read a piece of this, you know, just get the meat off the bones. This article, something that I seen in the headlines just a little while ago, and it's dealing with these crows over there in South Korea. You know, dealing with, you know, Moab, you know, and Ammon in that area, you know. But this is the Lord, you know, this is prophecy, because the Lord is going to use these animals for vengeance. You know, on, you know, judgment coming to you other nations, you know, because you other nations, you're in big trouble with the Holy Mashiach, with the Creator of heaven and earth, the King of kings, the Lord of lords, who the world ignorantly calls Jesus Christ. You other nations are going to face judgment. You see, the power, the God of the Hebrew Israelites, the Lord's chosen people, the so-called Negroes, Latinos, and Native American Indians. You see, and you know, you other nations have oppressed the Lord's people. So in the end here, judgment is coming. The Lord has all type of judgment prepared for you other nations, and even on a good majority, 2/3 of his own people that are wicked, that are evil. You know, but let me go here. I'm just going to read a little bit of this article, but it says cities declare war on, and then this is off the Daily Star, article off the Daily Star news, but it says cities declare war on intelligent crows who cause blackouts and attack people. And this is as of yesterday, but they said it's been going on for a while. It says of June 24th, 2024. It says psycho crows, see, psycho crows are terrorizing city dwellers in Korea who are too scared to leave the house for fear of dive bombing by the birds, which are also pecking at power stations and causing blackouts. See, and this is the Lord putting the spirit, you know, on the fowls of heaven, man, on the birds. You know, they're attacking them Koreans over there, them Moabites, you know, Ammonites, you know, and causing power outages, blackouts. And those crows are big birds, man. The crows are one of the world's most smartest birds in the world. Those crows. It says cities in South Korea are being terrorized. See? Cities in South Korea are being terrorized by gangs of intelligent crows who are causing blackouts and attacking residents. See, and them crows is flocks of them. You know, it could be, the Lord could send thousands of crows, man. You see, it says Koreans are said to be living in fear, aimed arise in attacks by crows who have been known to dive bomb on people and peck them in the head. It says the winged menaces. That's what they call them. The winged menaces are also likely to be responsible for 103 power outages in the country over the last 3 years, according to Korea Electric Power Corporation. It says groups of crows known as murder have been wreaking so much havoc that the government has designated them as vermin to try and get rid of some of the red tape around capturing them. You see, and I'll leave it there, but just a quick scripture. Let me get this, man. You know, and this is all prophecy. Those crows are over there causing, raising hell. The Lord is putting the spirit on them crows to attack people and knocking out power, electricity and stuff like that. Let me go here. Let me go to Jeremiah, just a quick hit, something that's on my spirit. Jeremiah 15 and 3. Jeremiah 15 and 3, and it reads, it says, and I will appoint over them four kinds, saith the Lord Yahawah, BAHASHAM YAHAWAHSHI, the sword to slay. See, because war is coming. These are the judgments that's coming. War. You got World War III. Ultimately, those ICBM missiles that are coming. You have civil war. So he said the sword to slay, the dogs to tear. You're going to have pet owners, pit bulls, Rottweilers, German shepherds and stuff like that. You know, that turn on their pet owners, and there's an increase too in just here in America, Babylon. You know, you have dog owners just dropping off their dogs on the side of the freeways. You know, Salakia. You see, there's a thing going on right now too in America, Babylon. These dog owners are just dropping off their dogs on the side of the freeway and anywhere just because they can't feed them, because there's a physical famine coming. So you're gonna have dogs out here that because of the lack of food, they're gonna start eating people. The Lord gonna put the spirit on them. But it says, and I will appoint over them the four kinds, saith the Lord. The sword to slay, and the dogs to tear, and the fowls of heaven, the birds, and the beasts of the earth to devour and destroy. You got war, you got famine, pestilence, and the Lord gonna use these animals, man. He gonna put the spirit on these animals for vengeance. But he just told you the fowls of heaven, and the ravens, the crows, the blue jays, the woodpeckers. These are just a few off the top that are some of the most intelligent birds, man. And then you also have the owls, the eagles, vultures. These are some of the most dangerous birds in the world, man. And they got sharp claws. They just showed earlier eagle pick up a swoop down and pick up a full-grown deer. A full-grown deer, a male deer weighs over 200 pounds. You see? An eagle swooping down and picking up a full-grown deer and you know, flying off in the air. And those deers are not small animals, man. They're over 200 pounds. You see? So and those eagles, they nosedive, I think, quote me if I'm wrong, at like 20 miles per hour. The Lord gonna use all these animals out here, man, for vengeance. But these birds, you know, this is prophecy. You know, this is prophecy, man, and judgment is gonna go forth as we get closer to Yahawah BAHASHAM YAHAWAHSHI's return. You know, these prophecies they're gonna pick up, they're gonna increase. It's gonna be unignorable real soon. And a lot of you mockers and scoffers that laugh and joke and think this is a game, one of these judgments is prepared for you. Shalom.